Hello guys! Welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get Microsoft Excel online for free. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Google Chrome. As you can see, I'm already on my Chrome here. Just search up Microsoft 365 and just click on this link over here. And now what you need to do now is log in. As simple as that. You just need to log in to your Microsoft account. If you haven't, then you should go create one. I already have my Microsoft account created, and here we are, Microsoft 365. And if you look at the left side of the screen, you're gonna see Excel here. Just click on it and click on the template that you want. Create new. Let's go for a blank workbook this time. And now we're gonna be sent to a new tab, OneDrive.live.com, and here you go. It's an online version of Excel for free. If you look at the home picture, it says it's for free. So that is how you get online Excel for free. But if you want other alternatives that are offline, or something that you can just install on your PC, well, I also have them for you. But first, this is another online alternative over here. This is Google Spreadsheets. Or I don't know if you probably have already encountered this already, but Sheets is a good alternative and many people has been using it. Although there are some limitations compared to what Excel can do, it is still very useful if you really need a spreadsheet app. Next is we have Zoho Sheet. It's also similar. There are a lot of features in this one that might be similar or could be better than Excel, but just take a try and maybe you'll find out. Next is we have Apache OpenOffice. It's also another one. It's a free version of Office 365, although I believe there are a lot of limitations of this compared to Microsoft Office, but still it is very useful if you really need it and when you are low on budget. Next is we have LibreOffice. This is also another free version of Office that you can use and you can just download anytime that you want. It's for everyone, as you can see here, and it's all for free. And lastly, we have WPS Spreadsheet, or the WPS Office all in all. It's also a freeware and they have lots of features, although still limited compared to Excel, but when you need it, you can rely on WPS Office. So that is how you get Microsoft Excel online and other alternatives in case you really want something installed on your PC. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye.